Welcome to video 4 of 4. In our final video today, we are going to learn to count really high numbers. Let's start, however, by talking about prices. これはケンケンの時計です。ケンケンの時計は3500円です。これは巻き棒の時計です。巻き棒の時計は4000円です。これはドナルドの時計です。ドナルドの時計は高いです。7500円です。次はミッキーの時計です。ミッキーの時計はもっと高いです。ミッキーの時計は8200円です。また、一番人気があるのウルトラマンの時計です。ウルトラマンの時計は6800円です。Now I know I went through that and did it all in Japanese. How much did you understand? Hopefully enough to understand this next dialogue.
ケンケンの時計はいくらですか？
ケンケンの時計ですか？3500円です。
あ、3500円ですね。
At this point in time, you've probably heard a couple of pieces of vocabulary. Do, you heard that in do yomimasu ka, is how. A review word, toke, clock. You also heard the word ikura, or how much, price. And another thing you might have noticed is the Japanese currency. In Japanese, their currency is actually pronounced en, and that is the kanji right there. The international symbol for yen is a Y with two horizontal lines through it, and it goes before the numbers, like the price in the upper right-hand corner. Today, you got to hear some numbers in the thousands, but now we're going to build numbers even larger. We should already easily be able to count to 99 or even 999. But today, let's build some larger numbers. It's actually quite easy. The first thing you do is to break the number into its place values. So 5,632 is 5,632. You've probably done this in your math classes. Now what we will do is we will translate each piece of this number. So we have gosen, ropyaku, sanju, and ni. And for the next step, oh wait, there is no next step. This is just like English. We say our thousands, our hundreds, our tens, and our units digits, and we're done. Gosen, ropyaku, sanju, ni. Now, man, or 10,000, can be a little bit tricky. It's not too bad if it's just like 70,000 or 80,000, because then it's just nanaman or hachiman. But when we get above kyuman, that's when we have fun. So to do this, what we'll do is we'll cover the last 4 digits. And I mean literally cover them. And from there, you can see the man. So it's easy to determine that now we have 26 or nijuroku man. So now that we know the man, we will add the remaining digits. We'll uncover that, and we will add the sanzen hapyaku goju. Okay, so the trick is to cover the last 4 digits. But now you're asking, but Mr. V, you said I could count up to 99,999,999. How are we going to do that if we only know up to like 10,000 or something like that? Well, the Japanese don't actually have a word for million. Instead, they use man for numbers up to 100 million. Thus, we can use the process we just learned to count to 999,999,999. So, here we go. Cover those last 4 digits. Boom! How many mon do we have? There are 4 nines there. That comma's in the wrong place, but we actually have 99,999 man. So we'll now uncover the last 4 digits and finish the number. So that's another 99,999. So our whole number for 99,999,999 is 99,999 man 99,999. Say that 3 times really fast. Or not. Instead, let's answer one last question before you move on with your lesson. What is the name of this item? Mata, ikura desu ka? Once again, pause the video, see if you can determine the answers, and then see if you're correct. Welcome back. You may never have even seen one of these things. This is a TV and video player. Televideo. Ikura desu ka? Ma, 29,800 yen desu. So you have reached the last of the final video. You'll answer a few questions, and then you can move on to your practice exercises in your packet.